Hey guys, this is Sasha the Guide here, and today I want to show you how to use TinyBio with our newest product, Tiny Intern, to run some popular bioinformatics software all through chat. Now, the whole use case behind the product is that we wanted it to be drivable. We wanted life sciences and bioinformatics applications to be drivable through chat. And so today, what we've done is that we've hooked up our chat interface to give it the ability to actually write code and execute it. And so I'll show you specifically how that works within the life sciences ecosystem. So today we'll use a tutorial data set for explanation. This comes with everybody's preloaded cloud storage that you can initiate just by pressing a button. And what we'll do is we'll open this up and we'll see that we have some single cell RNA-seq objects here. So what we can do now is that we can load them in all through chat. So we'll ask, hey, can you please use Seurat to load in the single cell RNA-seq R data object. It was And so now what TinyBio will do is that it will use its newest feature called Tiny Intern to actually write a script that will load in the data and hopefully tell us something about it. Now, and so I'm demonstrating this right now specifically with Seurat, but it works across a variety of different applications that we have preloaded within the interface. Most of them are, very life sciences focused, but we have the greatest hits like Seurat, TE-seq, SAM tools, MultiQC, FastQC, all the ones that folks love. All right, so it looks like it ran the code. You can look at the code that was written on the right-hand side. So you can look and see here, okay, so it loaded this and then said, okay, let me see what's in here, right? And so it says, specifically loading. The object name PBMC is an instance of the Seurat object. Okay, so just as we had expected. All right, so now let's do something more advanced. So now let's say, hey, can you please generate a Can you please break up the data into 10 clusters and generate a UMAP visualization of these clusters? And so what Tiny will do now is that it takes in its chat history, so it will remember that, hey, there exists this our data object that's that contains a Seurat object called PBMC, and with that context, it's going to actually write a script to generate, to perform normalization, to cluster the data, and to generate a UMAP representation of the object. Of the clusters. Now, what is going to happen more often than not is that when you load in information that is from your data set, the initial run of the loading in will not work on a first time, right? Is because these models do hallucinate, but what it will do is that, as in this case, you will see here, it forgot to actually save the plot in the initial script that it ran. So using its intern capabilities, it's going to write an amended script and then rerun that code. This is very typical for any analysis that you will be running through our systems, and is very, very typical. Now, for our data sets, this is not the only capability that we have. You can run any of any of the packages that we have outlined, all through chat. They're all drivable through this interface. And you can think of the cloud storage on the right as kind of like your hard drive of what TinyBio has access to. Okay, so it looks like it made one more error with the ggSave function that, it looks like the ggplot2 functionality was not loaded in, and so it's running it yet again in order to get us the visualization that we would like. But eventually it does get to where we want it to get to, hopefully with this final run. Now the way that okay, so it looks like it did generate the image and it's formatted for display here. Okay, so if we click on this here, we will see, okay, so this is zoomed in, but if we download it here, this looks like a UMAP image of exactly what we were looking for. And you can show these, you can have it show you these images in line. So you can do things like, hey, can you please show me the image of that visualization here. So again, it will show you the UMAP visualization right in line, and you don't have to have a perfect spelling in order to get it to visualize as you saw there. So again, this is the UMAP visualization here, and so again, it's all drivable through chat, and we have a bunch of packages that are installed. There's documentation on the homepage of the README when you start up chat that shows you kind of everything that you have access to, and it's all accessible, all accessible through chat. The dominant use cases that we see for this product are graphing, doing fast analysis like this. I mean, this would have taken me personally like 20 or 30 minutes to run at least, and debugging. So you can upload your own scripts, have TinyBio run it, and fix it for you while it's working through these things. Again, we're really happy with the community feedback so far. So we're hoping that that you guys love using the product and let us know. Thank you.